Struggling to concentrate? Can't stay focused at work or while studying? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. In this video, we'll break down exactly why your brain feels foggy, distracted, and mentally drained, and more importantly, how to fix it naturally. From digital overload and blood sugar crashes to dopamine addiction and lifestyle habits, we'll uncover the hidden reasons behind poor focus and give you 3 science-backed strategies to regain mental clarity and laser-sharp attention. Whether you're dealing with ADHD-like symptoms, burnout, or just everyday distraction, this is your step-by-step guide to reclaiming your focus and productivity without medication and without burnout. Stay tuned, because your mind is about to get a whole lot sharper. You sit down to work, but 5 minutes in, your mind wanders. You check your phone, scroll for a moment, and suddenly, an hour is gone. Sound familiar? You're not lazy. You're not broken. Your brain is overwhelmed. Here's the truth. Focus isn't just a skill, it's a state. And right now, that state is under attack. The number one reason you can't focus is cognitive overload. You're consuming more information in a single day than your grandparents did in a week. Emails, social media, breaking news, constant notifications. Your brain was never designed for this much input. When your brain is flooded with low-value information, it can't prioritize what's actually important. You feel scattered, anxious, and mentally tired, even if you've done nothing productive all day. The second reason is blood sugar instability. Every time you eat sugar or refined carbs, your blood glucose spikes and then crashes. During the crash, your brain struggles to function. You feel foggy, distracted, and irritable. Your willpower drops. Your focus disappears. And the third reason? You've trained your brain to seek stimulation, not concentration. Quick hits of dopamine from likes, clicks, and texts create a loop. The more you feed it, the harder it becomes to stay with one thing. Your brain learns to crave novelty and reject boredom. So how do you fix it? First, reclaim your attention by reducing digital noise. Turn off non-essential notifications. Schedule specific times to check your phone instead of reacting all day long. Every distraction breaks your momentum and takes time to recover from. Second, stabilize your blood sugar. Start your day with protein and healthy fats. Avoid sugary breakfasts and snacks. Keep your energy steady and your mind will follow. Third, retrain your brain for deep work. Try the 25-minute rule. Set a timer, work without interruption, then rest. This builds mental endurance. Over time, your brain relearns how to focus. And don't forget the basics. Get enough sleep. Move your body daily. Spend time in silence, even for a few minutes. These simple habits reset your nervous system and sharpen your mind. Focus isn't a gift, it's a muscle. And like any muscle, it gets stronger the more you use it. You're not unfocused because you're incapable. You're unfocused because your brain is overloaded, undernourished, and overstimulated. But the power to change that? It's already in your hands. If you've been struggling to focus, now you know. It's not about willpower. It's about the way your brain is being overwhelmed, underfueled, and constantly distracted. The good news? You can take back control. Start by cutting the noise, stabilizing your energy with real food, and training your brain one deep focus session at a time. Small changes, big impact. If this video helped you understand your brain a little better, drop a comment below with which habit you're going to start today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss new content that helps you level up your mind and your health naturally. Remember, your focus is your superpower. Protect it, rebuild it, use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.